There's a common problem with the PureTech engine. This can affect the performance of your brakes. There's a recall to get it fixed. With over 350,000 vehicles affected, worldwide. Here's the part that can fail. The brake booster, vacuum pump. The problem is not the pump itself. It gets damaged from deterioration of the timing belt. The belt is driven internally saturated in oil. Crazy, I know. But this cracks and deteriorates and flakes off into the engine. More so, collecting in the brake booster, and blocking the oil pickup pipe. You can clearly see this here. This causes oil pressure faults and causes the engine light to illuminate when revved. In worst cases it can cause total destruction of the pump seen here. You can see the accumulation of cam belt debris in the engine too. The effects of this is very poor performing brakes. Almost inoperative when driven. Yes, very dangerous. There is a solution. The timing belt should obviously be replaced. The oil pickup strainer will need to be thoroughly cleaned. And just as important, the brake booster needs replacing. You may be entitled to get this work carried out under warranty. It's certainly worth calling your dealership. This affects many Citroen and Peugeot models manufactured between 2013 and 2017. Leave a comment below with your experiences to help the community. Don't forget to like and subscribe.